Hello, boys and girls. I say good morning to you. And always remember that maths is fun. Today in mathematics, our lesson is going to be about doubling and halving. Now, we start with double. What does it mean when you are asked to double a number? To double means to have two of everything. So, in other words, adding a number to itself is a double. Let's look at these examples. The first one at the bottom is 1. If you double 1, it's 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. The one next to it, 2 double 2, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Double 6, so 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Double 7, 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. Double 8, 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Double 9, 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. And 10, 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Right, let's look at the beetles on the screen. And now I want us to double the following number. Let us double the number 8. Right, so what we are going to do now is we are going to double 8. So we say 8 and then we put another 8 on the other side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have to double that number, so we have to draw 8 dots on the other beetle as well. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you add these two numbers together, or if you add the dots together, you're going to get the same answer, which will be 16. Here is just another way to do this, and let's take a look. So I have the number 3 at the top, and I want you to double the number 3. So you are going to write 3 plus 3, and then you're going to add it together, gives you 6. Look at the one next to it, 6. Double 6 for me. 6 plus 6 gives you 12. Awesome. Let's do 2 more. Let's do the number 5. Right. We want to double 5. So what are we going to do? We're going to say 5. And we're going to write 5 2 times. So we're going to write 5 plus 5. Now, we must add that 5 together. And 5 plus 5 gives us 10. Good. Let's do the number 4. Right. So we're going to write 4 2 times. 4 plus 4 gives us 8. So now you know how to double numbers. Let's move on to half. What does it mean when you half something or half a number? To half means we break up, or a bigger word is decompose, which you'll learn about later on in grade 2 and 3. You break up the number into 2 equal parts, or you can also divide it by 2. Let's look at these examples below. So, what is the half of 10? Now we have to figure out which two numbers when added together make up the 10. And the two numbers are 5 plus 5. So the half of 10 is 5. The next one is number 6. What is the half of 6? The two numbers that make up 6, 3 plus 3. So the half of 6 is 3. And 8, 4 plus 4. So the half of 8 is 4. The half of 4, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. And then the half of 2 is equal to 1 plus 1. So the half of 2 is equal to 1. Let's look at our beetles again, and let's use the number 6 first. Let's use the number 6 first. Right, now I'm asking you, what is the half of 6? So I'm going to take the number 6 and I'm going to divide it. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the half of 6? The half of 6 is 3. There you go. The half of 6 is 3. Let's use the number 10. Now we have to divide the 10, remember, into two equal parts. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many dots do we have on the one side of the beetle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the half of 10? The half of 10 is 5. Now remember, there's another way you can do it. For example, you can break up the number 10. So here we have 10 and we've broken it up into a 10 and into a unit. So what is the half of 10? The half of 10 is 5. The half of 0, you can't have a half of 0. And now you add the two numbers together and it gives you 5. Let's look at the number 8. We break up the number 8. Now we say, what is the half of 8? The half of 8 is 4. The half of 0 stays 0. And then you add them together and it gives you the half of 8 is 4. Right, let's do another one. Let's do the number 6. What do we do first? We break up the 6. So we say 6 on the side and it's 0. Right? So what is the half of 6? 3. What is the half of 0? It stays 0. And then we add the two together. 3 plus 0 gives us 3. So what is the half of 6? 3. Let's do the number 8. Let's break up 8. We say 8 plus 0. Right? Now we ask, what is the half of 8? 4. What is the half of 0? 0. And then we add 4 and 0 together. It gives us the number 4. So 4 is the half of 8. Right. So let's wrap up what we discussed in the entire lesson. We spoke about double. And remember that double simply means to add two of the same numbers. What does it mean when we half a number? To half means to divide a number into two equal parts. We're very proud of you, grade 2s. Remember, second grade rocks. Take care.